Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post multiple pictures on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then you want to hit on the plus sign over here. The main tip over here to be able to select multiple images will be to hit the square, the double square over here. After that you will be able to select multiple different images that will allow you to create a post that is very similar to carousel, okay? After finishing selecting the images, you want to click next. If you have the recent updates of Instagram app, you will be actually able to add music to your multiple pictures. If you click on the upper center of the screen and you click the note icon, you will be able to add your favorite song. There's three ways that you can go about it. First of all, you can scroll through what is currently popular over here on the For You section. The second option is to browse through the different genres: hip hop, pop, dramatic music, film music, R&B. Third option is of course to go up on the search bar and look for the exact song you're looking for. Next step, after finishing adding the music, you can essentially add more pictures. This is a pro tip. If you simply scroll all the way to the right side, there is a new plus sign that was just added to this version of Instagram. So you can essentially add more pictures without going back, without losing the progress, especially if you add music already. All you gotta do is to click the plus sign. What else you can do? You can essentially change the contrast from the lower settings in the menu. Nothing crazy, nothing unbelievable. Now, when we're on the last step, you can simply want to include some captions, some title, hashtags, 3 to 5. You want to add probably your audience. A lot of people are not utilizing the option in which you can simply tag the products, not only the people that are involved. And as well, you can actually change the music from this last step. A lot of people don't know about this. If you change your mind, you can simply click over here and change the song, replace the song from this menu at the last step. You don't have to do it. And again, I'm going to give you another pro tip that was not included. You can actually schedule this post. You can schedule this post simply by clicking on the advanced settings over here underneath. And then you can simply click schedule content. When you click schedule content, you will have a pop-out menu where you will be asked, when do you want to post? You want to select the date, you want to select the time, you want to select the time of the day, which is the AM or PM. And then when you're done, you just hit done. As you can see, our post was just scheduled for 9:40 a.m. on Friday, January 5th. And this is how you post multiple images on Instagram with music, and you actually schedule the post. A lot of things have been learned in this video, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and come back for more.